Hello, I've been asked to do a review video about my instasmile experience. So I ordered the classic top and bottom set in a shade A1. As you can see, I haven't got them in at the moment. These are my natural teeth. I've got a lower gap there and an upper gap on the top, hence why I wanted both top and bottom. So the whole experience was relatively quick. I did have to redo my impressions 3 times before they were approved, but once they were approved, it was really quick. I got my veneers sent to me within 2 weeks. So when they arrive, they come in a box like this with a mirror. So this is the top set. They're really slimline, as you can see, and the bottom set. So I will pop them in now to show you. So there's the before, and you can hear the click. And that's the after. So there's not a massive difference in the shape or size of my teeth. It is just they are a lot whiter and brighter, and they give me so much more confidence, especially for photos and things like that. I would always smile with my mouth closed to hide my teeth, but now I'm more than happy to smile and show my teeth off. So if anyone is considering getting an instasmile, it is a quick fix, painless, no dentists, which was my biggest selling point. Then I would definitely recommend you look into it and give them a try. When I first put them in, I did have a bit of a lisp. I've still got it a tiny bit, but the more you wear it, the more it does go away. I haven't eaten in them yet, although it does say that you can. I'm not quite brave enough at this point to risk it, but they do feel really secure in my mouth, and they're a really good fit, as you can see. They go right up to the gum line. So yeah, overall I am so impressed with the whole process from start to finish. So yeah, if you are thinking about it, I hope this is the sign that you need to go ahead and give them a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.